So hopefully you did well on your first helping verb worksheet and you're moving along to your second. You're going to do the same thing on this worksheet as you did on the first one, except for circling the helping verbs. You're going to underline them once and you're going to underline your main verb twice. But you're doing the same thing essentially. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. Can you name the 7 wonders of the ancient world? It's always easiest to find your main verb first. And in this case, it is name. And you're going to underline your main verb twice. Now your helping verb is going to always come before your main verb. Is your helping verb you? Nope, because that's a pronoun or the subject of the sentence. Is it can? You can double check your chart, and can would be located under the C in Chad be swim. So your verb phrase is can name. Let's look at number 2. Some people may ask why these structures are called wonders. Now you're going to notice you have more than one verb phrase in this sentence. Let's find the first one. So the first main verb I see is the word ask, because that's an action. The word that comes before it is may, and that is a helping verb. It's part of the Chad be swim, the M in Chad be swim. May ask. But there's another verb phrase in there. Do you see another action verb? Called is the other action verb. And the word before it is are, which is a helping verb in this case because it comes before a main verb. So that verb phrase is are called. We're going to go ahead and do one more together. Number 3. Could it be that people have wondered how these monumental structures could have been built without the kinds of construction equipment that builders are using today? So you'll notice you have quite a few verb phrases in there. So, wow, I think you have 4. I'm glad we did this one together, right? So I'm going to find my first one. My first one, I know could is a helping verb. But what's my main verb? My main verb is actually a linking verb, be. So could be is my first verb phrase. Now I see another action verb or state of being verb. I see wondered, so that's going to be a main verb. What comes before wondered? Have. I'm going to double check my chart. Yep, have is there under the H in Chad be swim. That's 2. I have another main verb that happens to be an action verb. I can build something. So built. Now what's the word that comes before built? Been. I check my chart. That's on my chart. Have is also on my chart. And could is also on my chart. So you'll notice that you have 3 helping verbs and the verb phrase could have been built. I have one more verb phrase in this sentence. What's the last main verb? Using. And my helping verb for that is are. I'm glad we got that one out of the way. Go ahead and give the rest a try.